Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify stereo imaging using Waves plugins and post easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify stereo imaging using Waves plugins in your post-production workflow, begin by launching your digital audio workstation. Open the session containing the audio track you would like to analyze. Select the track and insert a Waves stereo imaging plugin of your choice on the master bus or the specific track. Waves Stereo Maker is a good option for this purpose. Play your audio track and listen closely to its stereo field. Now, adjust the stereo spread control on the plugin to see how it affects the sound. Observe the meter or visual representation that the plugin provides. Take note of any changes in the stereo width as you adjust the controls. For a more in-depth analysis, consider using the Waves UUID plugin for visual feedback on stereo imaging. Insert the Waves UUID plugin on your track or master bus. Play your audio again and pay attention to how the sound is represented in the stereo field. Look for any areas where the image may collapse or appear uneven. Make additional adjustments using your chosen stereo plugin to ensure a balanced sound. Also, utilize the Waves Center plugin to enhance or control the mono elements in your stereo mix. Insert the Waves Center plugin and adjust the parameters to your liking. Listen to how it affects the overall imaging in balance. Remember to frequently bypass the effects to compare the processed and unprocessed sound. This will help you discern the impact of your adjustments clearly. Once satisfied with your settings, finalize your mix while keeping stereo imaging in mind. It's essential to verify your work using different listening environments for consistency. Consider checking your mix on headphones and speakers. This will help you ensure that your stereo imaging translates well across different systems. Finally, render your track and export it, keeping stereo imaging in focus throughout your mixing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.